In this quick tutorial, I will show you brush tool in Adobe Photoshop. So let's jump into it. So here I am in Photoshop. You can access this brush tool by right clicking here, and this is brush tool with shortcut is B. So how can you selecting the color? What is brush tool? Brush tool paints custom brush strokes. So what will be the colors? You can select the foreground color or background color from here. You can see. Okay. This is from here or here. See, you can selecting color from here. Or also, if you hold on Alt and Shift together and right clicking, you can also select color from here. You can see I am selecting from here. So I am undoing all these strokes. The brush size you can decrease or increase from here, or by right square bracket by increasing and left square bracket by decreasing. Okay, and you can also adjust hardness 0, this is smoothing, or hardness 100%, it is solid. Also you can adjusting by 2 points, moving or downing, or also you can adjust an angle from here. Now the mode is brush paint mode is always we use normal mode, but here is 2 modes, other behind and clear. I would like to show you, and other modes I would like to show. I am taking an layer, empty layer, and I am taking the behind brush mode. So I am painting here, you can see painting here, and dark, I am again taking a darkening color. When I am painting again, you can see this painting is behind the previous paintings. Okay, this is behind mode. And also clear mode, it is act like as eraser tool. You can see it is erasing the previous paintings. Okay, now opacity you can, I am taking another layer, and you can see here is 100% opacity. When I am decreasing the opacity value to lower, you can see it is less opaque, and I am increasing my area of painting, it is less opaque. I am releasing the mouse, now it is more opaque, it is painting above the previous painting. Okay, but it needs to release the mouse. So I am demonstrating you now flow. You can see I am taking another color. This is flow with 100%. Okay, when I decreasing the flow percentage to 16, you can see now it is less opaque, but I didn't release the mouse, but it is, when I painting over there, over and over there, it will be opaque 100%. Okay, its opacity is 100%. So this is the basic difference with opacity and flow. Opacity need to release the mouse, and in the flow you didn't need to release the mouse. So that was for the first part of this brush tool in Adobe Photoshop. If you like this part, please subscribe my channel. Keep editing.